Betty Bayo nĩatigĩte mafans ake na gĩkeno kĩnene. After so much pleading and persuasion from her fans, she has now finally agreed to bring back her reality YouTube show Betty Bayo TV. For a while now, it has not been airing, and fans have been consistently pushing and begging her to bring back the show. Makiuga na matiũĩ kĩrĩa gĩatũmire amĩrũgamie, it all of a sudden just stopped, and they have now demanded for it to be brought back. It mainly focuses on human interest stories and interviews. Na Betty Bayo was the one personally conducting the interviews no warehaga show iyo, na rĩu nĩarĩkĩtie gũtangatha atĩ Betty Bayo TV is coming back. Due to public demand, she's bringing back the show, and she has even reached out to her fans to recommend someone whom they would like to be hosting the show and also conduct the interviews. And on Facebook she wrote this: "Due to public demand, Betty Bayo TV will be back soon. We are looking for someone good in conducting interviews na Kikuyu. If you believe you can, send a short video of 45 seconds showing your skills to 0722115415, and I post it here on Facebook and the public will decide." Wow, her fans were of course delighted to know that the show is coming back soon. It's been a while, and the fact that Betty Bayo has now decided to choose someone from her audience and followers to be hosting the show on her behalf has made them even more happier. She said she wants fresh talent and not an existing famous journalist, and so she'll be picking from her audience. So be sure to stay tuned. Betty Bayo TV is coming back.